my hookah buzz. No, I'm not cutting that out. I'm keeping that in. Okay, yes, I know. 2 videos in one day, right? What am I on? Absolutely. Okay, so phrases to talk him through it. 8 phrases to talk him through it. And this is the praising version. So there's no demeaning in this one. Yeah. Okay, number 1. Fuck, baby, you're doing so good. Say that while, like, when he's doing something right or something that you really, 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 really like, okay? You say that, he's going to keep doing that, and then he's going to keep doing that like that, and it's going to be nice. Yeah. Okay, nobody fucks me better than you, baby. Fuck. I'd be surprised. Okay, sorry. Nobody fucks me better than you. Yes, we might be lying. Okay? That's not the point. Maybe she's not lying. Okay. That's a good boy. Now, that is reassurance. That's like giving a treat. You know what I'm saying? If he's doing something right, or if you tell him to do something a certain way, and then he listens, that's when you look at him and be like, fuck, that's a good boy. They love that shit. Like, I don't know why. Okay, next. Make me proud, baby. Make me proud. Come on, finish me, make me proud. Like that. They love the finish me thing. Finish me, make me proud. They like that. Like that combo. They're like, I know things get hard, but girl, you got it. Girl, you got it. There you go. Can't you tell why they looking at you everything? Yeah. Come on, y'all better sing with me. Come on. Wonder, man, what's on your mind? It must be hard to be that fine when all these motherfuckers want to waste your time. It's just amazing, girl, and all I can see is I'm so okay, sorry. I'm so proud of you. You went through hell and back. That's why you parents fucking. You know you are. Okay, sorry. I didn't know you could fucking do that. Oh my god. Yeah, they love that shit because they're like, what? What did I just do? Or they're like, yeah, baby, yeah, I know I can do that. I learned that just for you. I learned that just for you, mama. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Now, again, this might be a lie, but it doesn't fucking matter. We're not here. We're here to talk motherfuckers through it. We ain't here to fucking sit there, analyze them, and figure out what is true, what's not. It don't matter. Okay? Next. Fuck, Papa, you're perfect. Now, if you don't like Papa, Poppy, Daddy, if you don't like any of that, just say their fucking name. Just say their name. Like, fuck, you're so perfect, baby. And, like... yeah, they love that low key. Like, cause think about it, how many, a man can count on his one hand probably how many times a woman has looked at him and just said that he is perfect. During the nasty though, I'm not talking about regular conversations. I'm talking about when you're getting down, baby. I'm talking about that. Okay. I'm your princess. Say I'm your princess. Now this is like praising for you. You know, because like I told y'all other phrases like, yeah, I'm your little, you know what I'm saying? But this is like a praise for you. You know what I'm saying? Because you're not really demeaning yourself. And yes, men love a good demeaning king, because my theory is like men really, not a lot, but some men genuinely don't like women. So I think they get something out of demeaning, them demeaning themselves, unfortunately. So you gotta throw in a few, you know. Last one. Good fucking job. Now you say that when they're eating it right, hitting it right, licking it right, fingering it right, or after y'all are just done. After y'all are just done, you could just look at him and be like, oh my god, baby, you did such a good fucking job, or you're doing such a good job. Like, say that while they're eating it. And yeah, that's it. I hope y'all like this fucking video. Yo, tell me how I just had to fucking curse everybody out on my TikTok. Like, not everybody, but so like I made a video, right, about how I like backdoor, whatever, right? And it's not considered gay because I'm a woman. Tell me how all these men, and they're all men like from like Jamaica, like the islands. I know because I kept seeing Bati, yeah, like that, Bati, da 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 da. And I'm just sitting there like, it is gay. I'm like, how is it, how, when I'm a woman? How is it gay? I'm a woman. And like, you know what? And yo, they said the dumbest shit ever. And I'm like, yo, y'all really lack, a lot of y'all men really do lack common sense. Like, and it's very scary because they want to talk about some, oh, it's different. It's different for women and men because, like, yo, shut the fuck up. Like, I'm trying to specifically remember what the comment said. One said, oh, it's gay because a butt is a butt. Oh, so you're telling me when you smack your girl's butt, then that's considered, because it's a, huh? Like, y'all are so stupid. Like, not y'all, not all y'all, because some of y'all have common sense, but some of y'all really fucking don't. And, like, I think, is that the land of the DLs? Because that, all those men were so mad, like, telling me to off myself and like, I'm like, yo, what are y'all going through? Are y'all okay? Like, they're just saying, like, it's different. Like, yo, I'm so tired of that it's different shit. Y'all are stupid. Like, I remember I was talking to somebody, right? And I was like, if women can be bi, men can be bi too. And they was like, no, they can't. And I'm like, why? And he was like, because women get penetrated, men don't. I'm like, y'all are fucking stupid. Like, y'all really lack common sense, like, as a species. Not all of y'all, but some of y'all really are slow. Like, y'all really don't. Yo, y'all. Okay, sorry. I say that out because it was funny. It was honestly a really funny video. Y'all should go watch my TikTok. But I'm about to post it. But yeah, I love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know 2 videos in one day. Yeah. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.